Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your Etsy store to Printify. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, you need to go to etsy.com and log into your account if you haven't already, and also you need to have a shop. So if you don't have a shop, you just need to press on your account, and here will be sell on Etsy button here, and you need to create a new shop on Etsy. And once you create it, then the new, as you can see here, shop manager icon pops up, and here you can basically enter the, your Etsy shop backend. So when you have a shop on Etsy, then you need to go to Printify and then create or log into your account, and then you need to go to my store here. We need to wait for a few seconds, and once you're here, then you need to press on this little green icon here and then go to my stores. And here you need to press add new store and then basically press connect to Etsy, right? And then you will be redirected to Etsy, and basically you need to grant access of Printify here, right? And as you can see here, success, you're connected to your Etsy store, and now you can basically design and create products and sell these products on Etsy, and Printify will fulfill it, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.